You can see, engineering is like a map. So if you go to London, if you go to Paris, you'll get a map of a city, which has even the smallest of the smallest route. Things are well defined. But if you are going in a sea and you are lost, you don't need a map. You need a campus, which will give you direction. So management is like a campus, which will give you direction. Engineering is like a map, which will go in detail.
Learner engagement strategies. We do a lot of group work, we do a lot of peer learning, we do a lot of round robin, we do jigsaws, we do games, we do a lot of all these things so that the learners are actively engaged. Learning only happens when the learner is interacting with the content, not interacting with the teacher. When they interact with the content, that's when they learn.
So I was telling you, you cannot have one skill which will last you for your lifetime. So very frequently you need to update and upgrade yourself. Now, if you do an upgrading based on technology, is the industry ready for it?
Our students are not within India but also outside India in many multinational as well as banks and other places. We are very proud for our alumni, and our alumni are also helping the current batch of students to find placement and getting better training outside Odisha.